Hi! This is Andrea's mother from Cooking with Nature. Now, if you care anything about your children as much as I care about mine, oh yeah, excuse the hair. You're never gonna believe this, but I was a beauty school dropout. I know. Shocking. Anywho, so as I was saying, I only want what's best for my children. Shut up or I'll break your fingers off! So I'm going to teach you how to make something that my children absolutely love. Peanut butter crispies. Alright, so here's what you're going to need. 1 cup of peanut butter, 3 tablespoons refined coconut oil, or you could use Earth Balance vegan butter spread, half cup brown rice syrup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and 4 cups crispy rice cereal. Start by placing all of the ingredients in a pot on your stove. Optional if you want to add a little salt. Next, turn your stove on to a medium heat. And keep stirring everything till it's nice and smooth. Then turn your stove off and add in your crispy rice cereal. Press everything down into a loaf pan or whatever you have laying around the house. And doesn't that look gorgeous? Alright, so our peanut butter crispies are ready to go in the refrigerator, and it only takes a few minutes for these to be ready. Well, it looks like our Rice Krispie treats are all done now, so let's go have a bite and see how it is. These are good. These are really, really good. Hey Mom, are the peanut butter crispies ready yet?
Much too good for children.
No. The dog just ate all of them. Never mind. Now?
Yeah.
Oops. That can be a no too.